Hey, I'm Charlie.
And I'm Hailey.
We're here in Brazil in Ouro Preto.
Ouro Preto is an old colonial mining town in Minas Gerais. In fact, it used to be the capital of Minas Gerais, and one of its most common minerals found here is imperial topaz, like this one here.
So what does Ouro Preto mean?
Ouro is gold and Preto is black, symbolizing some of the minerals found in the region.
So we're inspired by this town, the beautiful quaint streets, and the colonial architecture and little details. So we're going to do a photo challenge today. I'm going to go out and take photos of all kinds of little details I noticed that are of the color scheme black.
And I'm going to be taking care of gold.
And we'll see by the end of the video whose collage is better. You can vote in the comments below.
Okay.
So stay tuned.
Well, we've started the competition, but I'm not entirely sure how fair it is. I'm using my old iPhone 11.
And I have an actual Sony DSLR. But Hailey's better at editing on Procreate.
So we'll see how it goes.
A bunch of matter, 'cause if you're not really here, I don't wanna be either. I wanna be next to you. Black and gold, black and gold, black and gold.
Having fun, Hailey? What do you think of Ouro Preto?
It's beautiful. Lots of hills.
That's true. Very tiring. People who live here must be very fit.
Hard work.
Yeah. One thing I've noticed that I really enjoy about this challenge is it's making me pay attention a lot more to the little details around me. I'm looking up, I'm looking down, I'm looking at little intricate details like the door handles or signs and lanterns. So I think I'm being a lot more perceptive and mindful as we walk around and explore this quaint little city. Oi, tudo bem?
Vamos para a esquina da realeza depois, vivenciar o momento de reis e rainhas.
Ah, muito bom. Oh.
De qual reino vieram?
Ah, es teatro. Somos inglês. Coffee shop.
Coffee shop. Ah,
Aqui, ok.
Ah.
Agora vamos a Minas, mãe, e vamos a voltar para jantar. Até que hora aberto?
7
p.m. Ok,
7 p.m.
perfeito.
Posso
Obrigado.
tomar foto?
Ja?
Gostaste? Perfeito, muito obrigada.
Muito linda. Obrigado. Ciao, ciao. Well, that's a lot of fun.
Yeah, it's a great way to take in some new surroundings.
Yeah, so we loved Ouro Preto, highly recommend it. We're going to get busy and edit our photos, they're coming up, and so you can tell us which one you liked more out of the black or gold collages.
Yeah.
Anyway, if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you, thanks for watching, see you in the next one.